What do wheel spacers do for wide body kit? Generally, wide body builds include the upgrades of larger size wheels and bigger brake kits. Wheel spacers allow you to add larger wheels. You can also add larger brake kits, which is a great safety upgrade. Installing BONOSS wheel spacers is one of the easiest ways to get flush the fender flares. Properly filled wheel arches can really make your wide body builds look wonderful. For safety and quality, purchasing from a professional manufacturer is trustable. BONOSS offers 15mm to 50mm wheel spacers to meet your needs. We insist on manufacturing safer and more professional wheel spacers, which is a good choice for your excellent wide body kits. For more information, please see the link down on the description. See you next time, bye bye!